Hello everyone, my name is Volha Kruhlova. I'm an English teacher from Belarus, and I'd like to share with you my experience of using Edmodo, which helped me to solve my problems in the classroom. So, at the beginning of our working day, we as teachers are usually full of energy, full of plans, but at the end of the day we are totally exhausted. But what are the results? What about the students? Sadly, they're just bored most of the time. So what to do? How to change this situation? My problem has always been writing. My students didn't like to write at all, but at the same time I noticed that they use their devices all the time, texting, so writing. And I decided to use my students' passion, technology, in the learning. And of course I thought of Edmodo. I created some groups on Edmodo and started using it. I started with some just simple questions for my students to answer, and to my surprise they started responding very actively. Then I continued with creative writing, with some more creative tasks on Edmodo, and I noted that my students became more motivated, more willing to do something, less reluctant to write, and more confident. Also, Edmodo allowed me to promote collaboration with my students when I assign some group project, and sometimes, as you can see on the screen, they even share their emotions with me, which is great. Also, I often use Edmodo for distance learning when I'm far away abroad, for example, and yes, Edmodo allowed me to solve my problem with writing and with engagement in general. And now I use Edmodo with my colleagues for professional development as well. And if I'm selected for EdmodoCon, my attendees will get the following takeaways. They will be shown some strategies of engaging and motivating students, options of using Edmodo as blended or distance learning tool, and different ways of using Edmodo as well. So thank you for your time. I hope to see you in Miami.